Do you know what is the compressibility? Compressibility means there is change in volume of the metal when we apply certain pressure. That is the compressibility. In simple manner, compressibility is the property that can explains how much decrease in volume of the metal when certain amount of pressure is applied. That is the compressibility. Clear? So among the solids, liquids and gases has more compressibility compared to the liquids and solids. Now I would like to do or perform one activity for you to prove that the compressibility is more for gases when compared to the liquids and solids. In that activity I am taking just 3 objects. This is very simple activity. In your textbook some other activity is there. To understand very clearly I am doing this one. I am taking, this is the power bank. I mean any solid. For example, I am taking here solid is the power bank, here I am taking. And next thing is, this is the one water bottle. This bottle is filled with some water. I am taking, this is the liquid now. And third one, this is an empty bottle. So empty means what? There is some air inside the bottle. Clear? So now we have to clearly observe. First I am taking now solid. I am pressing the power bank or solid. Are you observed any change in volume? No change. Again I am doing this one. Is there any change in its volume? I am creating the pressure. Is there any change? No. And I am taking the next one, liquid. So clearly observe this one. I am hold this one and pressing like this. Are you find any difference? Find any difference? Yes. You can observe now here. Now I am leaving the fingers, then you can observe. Again I am pressing. Look at this portion. Here what you observe? Where I kept my fingers, their volume is decreased. Once I am removing my fingers, they should be coming to the same position. That means when we apply some little bit force or pressure, what I am telling, in case of liquids, there is some change in its volume. That's why the compressibility of liquid is more than the solids. And now empty bottle. Simple. We can observe while we are in the traveling, while we are going through the vehicles or in any journey. After drinking the water, simply we can crush the bottle and simply throw out. So crushing the bottle means the air should comes to one place. So okay, leave that matter. Simple here, we are taking now empty bottle. So I am pressing now here. What do you observe? What do you observe? There is a lot of change in its volume. That means what? While we are pressing this one, the volume is decreased. Volume decrease means what? The air molecules which are at their respective positions, they should be shifted to the another side. So like this. So compressibility, it is more for solids. So that's why by doing these simple activities, we can conclude that among the solid, liquid and gases, gases have more compressibility. Once again is there any change? Little bit change. Now lot of change. That's why children, Maybe I think so. You understand that? Ninth class children got this point. Compressibility is more for gases compared to the liquids and solids. Okay, got children? Thank you. Thanks for watching, children. If you like this video and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next activity. Thank you.